This is week 34 practice quiz, problem 4, and this might be the trickiest one yet. It's a cylinder, but it's a cylinder with a hole taken out of it. And when we want to find the surface area, we have to find the area of all the faces that are exposed, which includes the outside of the cylinder and the inside of the cylinder too. So what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to do RDCA, but this time there's two triangles. There's a big triangle and a small one. So let's do RDCA for both of them. All right, let's go with big circle first. So I'm given the diameter is 10. So I'm going to take half of that for the radius, 5. Circumference is 10 pi, and area is 5 squared, 25 pi. Now let me do the small circle. The radius is given and it's 4. So let me double it, and that's the diameter. Diameter times pi is the circumference, and then radius squared pi, 4 squared pi is 16 pi for the area. All right, we got a lot of stuff to figure out. So I'm definitely going to have 2 rectangles to draw. So there's like the outside rectangle and the inside rectangle. And then as far as the other faces go, we have the circle, but there's that circular hole taken out of it. So I actually want to draw some sort of like bullseye looking shape. There's 2 of those. So let's start with those. How would you do that? Well, we know the area of the big circle and we know the area of the small circle. The small circle is a hole that's taken away. So we can actually do 25 pi minus 16 pi. And that will give us the area of each of those shapes. So that's 9 pi. So 9 pi and 9 pi. Then for the rectangle, well, we have, let's do the inside circle first. That was the smaller one, which had a circumference of 8 pi, and then they actually, both rectangles have a height of 15. The big circle had a circumference of 10 pi. So let's multiply out both of those. So 15 times 8 is 120, so 120 pi, and then 15 times 10 is 150, so 150 pi. So when I'm finding the total surface area for this shape, it's kind of hard to wrap your head around what all you're finding. But I want those circular bullseye discs on the top and bottom. That's 9 pi and 9 pi. And then I want that outside face, which is 150 pi, plus the inside face, which is 120 pi. So I'm going to add all of those together. So that would be 120 plus 150 plus 9 plus 9 for a total of 288 pi units squared.